Hey everyone, welcome back into a Monday night edition of Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again, talking about the weather. And after a beautiful weekend with temperatures near 70 degrees yesterday, today the clouds moved in. We had showers this afternoon, but you know what? Those showers are not bad because they're going to help that fire danger reduce, and we'd be glad to see that. Here's what it looks like on the satellite and radar. You can see a little more moisture moving in from the southeast, and that's helping to bring the showers into the interior. Usually southeast winds don't have it, but there's a lot of moisture coming in with this system. Now, if you didn't hear about it, Saturday the ice went out, not the ice, but the actual tripod went down, and the Nenana Ice Classic. And you remember last week I had a picture of the tripod sitting on the ice? Well, here's what it looked like today. Look at that. There's nowhere to be seen any ice anywhere. The tripod fell about 3:39 in the afternoon. The winners will not be announced for at least 2 weeks, so hold on to those tickets by all means. Look at that. That's just amazing. There's no ice to be seen. That's a pretty cool picture. Here's your numbers today. 65, still not too bad today. 64 currently. The low last night, 40. The record high, 69, 1997. 0, the record low in 1948. That's not too bad. Our sunrise and sunset, 16 hours and 26 minutes, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. And as far as the rest of the state is concerned, here's what it looks like. More rain falling across southeast Alaska, 51 at Juneau, only 47 degrees at Ketchikan. Anchorage, partly cloudy, 52. Showers around the Kodiak region with 46 for their high today. Cold Bay, 50 degrees, partly cloudy. Another nice day in Bethel, 56 degrees there, 46 at Nome, and 21 degrees at Barrow, with Fort Yukon at 48 degrees. Lower 48 weather, the storm clouds are gathering. This is going to be a powerful storm. This system taking shape right here across the Rockies is going to move on to the plains and become a very major weather feature. They're expecting tornadoes and hail and damaging winds, flooding conditions. It's just going to be really nasty. Elsewhere across the country, things are looking pretty good for the most part. You see the eastern half, it looks pretty good. And here's what it looks like. The storm ingredients coming together tomorrow night with a strong jet stream helping to make things even worse. A severe storm outbreak all the way from Texas all the way up into the Dakotas. And it's all because the jet stream is once again taking shape there, helping to develop this system, a big pocket of low pressure sitting down here, and it's going to move very slowly. So a lot of energy coming out of that system. An interesting weather fact to share with you today on Monday. Look at this. In 2008, Anchorage had a late spring snowstorm that dropped more than 17 inches of snow. Oh, amazing. And as always, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And speaking of the kids, well, next Tuesday we'll have a new set of kids with plenty of fun things to share from Joy Elementary School. Here's your forecast for tomorrow. The northern sections, flurries and fog for Barrow, sunny skies for Nome, and showers developing in Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, not too bad. Partly cloudy skies and mild for Fairbanks. More sunshine expected in Healy and Delta Junction, so the showers should be out of the picture for the most part. Over southeast Alaska, scattered showers across the region. Cool temperatures, 52 degrees at Ketchikan, only 49 at Juneau. To the southwest, intermittent rain for Cold Bay, wind and rain at Kodiak, and mostly cloudy skies in Bethel. And to the south central sections, looking at mostly cloudy skies at Anchorage, showers for Homer, and rain expected at Valdez. And what we're looking for tonight, well, these scattered showers are going to hang around through the night. 37 degrees for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast calling for partly cloudy early, then more clouds in the afternoon, but still 62 degrees for the high. And the extended forecast calling for some pretty consistent temperatures all the way across the board there. 60 degrees for daytime highs. Overnight lows once again in the mid-30s. No precipitation expected except for Wednesday, possibly, and that's it. Our photograph tonight, one last photograph of the swans that were over there at Creamer's Field. This one's sent in by Nora Scott. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, send it to photos at ktvf11.com.
Beautiful. Thank you, Mike. Now, before we go tonight, KTVF and Bailey's Furniture are teaming up once again for the annual Spring Dream Giveaway.
That's right, Daryl. Watch the evening news for the first half of a word, then go to Bailey's Furniture for the second half and enter for a chance to win $2,500 in furniture.
You are so correct, Mike. And the word this week is sleeper.
Okay.
That sounds good. And that'll wrap up this edition of the Fairbanks Evening News. We're glad you could join us.
Tonight on NBC Nightly News, nearly 18 million people are at large for large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. That's up next with Lester Holt.
And as always, join us here 6 days a week at 6 and 11 or online anytime at webcenter11.com.
From all of us here at the News Center, have an interesting night.
Yeah, why not?